Hi there, this is our Scott 6250. Quite a big three-phase machine, come out of a workshop, and generally it has done a lot of work. It's got a nice, good quality DRO system on it. It's got a few faults with it. It's got quite a big leak out of the spindle here. Someone's been machining nylon and it looks as though it's jammed up in the labyrinth seal that they have in there, so I'd imagine the new owner will have to take that spindle out and just clear that out. It's quite sloppy in the forward and reverse, and the neutral detent's not really positive. The wee quick change here, tool holders are a bit worn, and also one of the wee stations here is missing the clamping, so you've only got two working stations. Bed condition has got general wear, but not too bad. Light there, the switch isn't on it, so I assume that's not working. The emergency foot brake isn't working on it. The rapid is working and the feed, etc., but when you do engage it, sometimes you have to just quickly go on and then off again to let the gears fully engage, as though they're losing a little bit of spring tension, but once they are engaged, that's okay. Missing the wee knobs here off the fixed steady. This is a little bit rumbly when you turn it. So yeah, it has done a lot of work. It's still got some life left in it, but those are the faults with it. So we'll start from this end. Those clamps are working, and the tailstock is working fine too, but it is rumbly. So yes, that. Carriage ticks across back and forward nice, and so does a cross slide, and compound slide's a little bit stiff, not bad. And DRO is working fine. Alright, well let's, and so I haven't got coolant in it, but the pump sounds as though it's ticking over. So that's the coolant pump going there. So I've got it in a medium range. Oh, I should show you the rapids first. So that's coming towards me. It's engaging fine there. I think it's this way that's... Yeah, so you just have to give it a flick and then take your finger off and then it engages fine. Cross slide coming towards you. Again, once you've given it that flick and then go off, it engages fine after that point. And going away, same again. So those are the rapid. It's working fine, it's just getting a bit worn in there. Okay, let's start her up. So I've got the lead screw going there and engage that heading that way. And I've changed that direction of that lead screw. And now it's coming towards me. The different speeds and all that for the gearbox seem to be working fine. So now I've got that feed going. And it's feeding that carriage towards me. Neutral. Feeding it that way. And cross slide. That's feeding away from you. And now back towards you. So those are the feeds there. That's that detent. The lead screw and feeds and rapid all working. So we'll take you through some of the gears in the mid-range. That was about 105. This will be 85. 55. The gear change is a little bit sloppy as well. Had a bit of use. 70. That'll be 210. Put you in the low range. So that's 35. 45. 18. through to the high range, so that will be 1,000. Spindle just there now. 630. Yeah, that's most of the gears there. So yeah, it is a little bit sloppy to operate there, but you can get used to it. So yeah, all in all, it's all there. Got the rapid, etc. But generally it has done quite a bit of work.